Hey everybody, it's me dgtronic, and in this very quick tutorial video I'm going to show you guys how to give the same exact filter effect to multiple objects in a project in GIMP that has multiple different layers. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be using this thumbnail that I made for one of my food videos on my food channel. Now, this is going to be very easy and very simple to do. Let's say I'm going to choose one of these three cookie boxes here. It doesn't really matter what object I choose, but one of these cookie boxes. I'm going to choose the Mr. Creamy box. And I'm going to go up here, go to filters and light and shadow. And I want to give it a second drop shadow. It already has one falling to the right of it. I want to give it a drop shadow falling to the left side of it. Drop shadow. I'm going to change the parameters here so it goes to the left, and I'm going to make it more visible. Ooh, okay, that looks like I'm going to like it. See, let's say I like that. And now I want to give the same exact filter effect to the other two boxes of cookies up there. All I have to do is choose, let's say, the Oreo box first. Very simple, just go to filters and the very first option, repeat the name of the effect, drop shadow. Did the same exact thing. Now let's say I want to give it to the third cookie box. I'll choose it. I'll go to filters again. Repeat. In this case, drop shadow. Very simple to do. That's it. You don't have to fiddle around with the effect to make sure it looks or matches the other objects or any of that. Very simple and easy to do. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumb up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Twitter. They're both dgtronic. Also, check out this playlist right here.